What's up, producers? In this video, we want to break down how to mix sub-bass frequencies for powerful low end in your tracks. Let's dive into the world of sub-bass mixing. Sub-bass refers to the deepest frequencies from around 60 Hz down to the limits of human hearing around 20 Hz. You feel these frequencies more than hear them. They create that chest-thumping sensation when you're near a loud venue. On bass guitar, the low E string hits about 41 Hz. On piano, the lowest A note is around 27.5 Hz. You need good headphones or subwoofers to properly hear and mix sub-bass. When mixing sub-bass and kick, it's best to filter out the sub-content from the kick and let your dedicated sub-instrument own that zone. Have the kick provide audible punch in the low mids instead. Use spectrum analyzers to visualize what's happening in the subs if you lack subwoofers. Most DAWs have built-in analyzers. For EQ, the Pultec trick is great. Boost low subs while attenuating slightly higher to highlight subs but retain space. High-pass filtering other instruments is crucial to make room for sub-bass. Remove any unnecessary lows from non-sub sounds. It takes practice to get this right. Low-pass filtering on subs ensures they stay in their intended range and don't step on higher instruments. In the end, mixing subs is about giving them their own dedicated space to create deep, powerful low end that listeners can really feel. The exact approach depends on the genre and your creative vision. Don't go overboard boosting sub-bass though. An overpowering low end quickly becomes muddy and loses impact. Subtlety is key. Try using saturation or harmonic exciters to add character and warmth to sub-bass sounds. This helps them cut through the mix. You can also lightly sidechain compress subs to create pump and movement sync to your kick drum hits. Proper gain staging is crucial when working with subs too. Leave enough headroom to accommodate the extreme lows. Alright, we hope these extended sub-bass EQ and mixing tips help you smash the low end on your next track. Let us know if you have any other favorite techniques. See you on the next one.